Hi Rebecca, thank you for choosing your career reading with me. So, this reading is going to tell you about your current energies, what are your prospects of looking for a new job, and how it's going to be if it is even the right time to do that, and also about the guidance you're receiving from your angels regarding your career, your growth, and what all challenges you can expect in the next 6 months, since you asked me for the next 6 months. So I hope this reading resonates with you. Please don't forget to leave your feedback and subscribe to my channel, like the video. I would really appreciate that effort from you. So Rebecca, let's see what your cards are telling me about your current employment. Alright, so the center card I've taken as your employment, indicating your employment, and it shows me that uh, there are actually even good chances yet. You haven't really explored all the possibilities at this place. There is something good coming your way. It is a small opportunity though, but it is really good opportunity which you can take advantage of. So this is a lucky card, so luck is in your favor. So this is what I see in the coming time period. Now if you are planning to change the employment, so let me see how the employment, what if you change the place, what if you change the job. Okay, is it the right time for you to change the job? Is it the right time for Rebecca to change the job? Okay, so I am getting that yes, it is the right time. I've got a major card. It is the right time for you to change the job. Some lucky opportunities coming your way which you can take advantage of. So if you start looking, there will be a short-term, short-lived opportunity for you that you can take up. Also, you need to surrender, to your faith that you will find the right place for yourself where you really belong as per aligned by the universe. So what you need to do is you need to be hopeful, you need to be positive about your future search. Now the challenges you can face is there could be a delay, there could be a wait where you might just apply for the job and they'll ask you to wait more the time that you expect to wait. It's like it's exceeding, and now but it is fruitful, so it's a fruitful card. The reason for this wait, let's see. So the reason that I see for this wait, what is it? Okay, so I see that there are more candidates which the companies might would want to take, plus they are young, and I do see they are if you apply in a place where there are partners working, then definitely it is the communication, it is the understanding between the two that is going to rule your delay in finalizing the place for you, and especially in finalizing the salary package that you are expecting. Now another thing is, how long will it take for this opportunity to come your way? So let's see. Alright, so what I see is that you will have to wait for 8 weeks for this opportunity to appear in your life, where you can really move out and see a bright future in this job search. And definitely you're moving out from this place, it's coming positive. The only thing is the salary package, finalizing the negotiations that I see. And now what is the guidance coming for you? So I'm going to pick out a guidance for you from your angels. The card says leadership, and it also says set your goals right. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to set your goal. What exactly are you looking for in the new job? Are you looking for you need to prioritize. Is it the salary that's mattering to you the most? Is it the position? is it the experience, is it the place, or is it the kind of people you're working with? So you need to have your priorities very clear in your head. Only then you can really approach the right set of people, and the right set of people you'll attract. So it's the law of attraction that's working for you. You need to be sure of your leadership qualities, just like this line. And I also see a Leo symbol here. I don't are you a Leo sign? Are you somewhere, right now your sun and your Leo zodiac, your Leo house is really dominant and it's helping you. So this is the whole reading for your career. All the best for your search, and in the next 6 months I definitely see a change. But of course there is a delay in the joining a part. Only if you are ready to negotiate, then things can be favorable for you. But you need not forget that you are a leader in your own area. You have to have those leadership qualities, because you're skilled and you are strong in your expertise. So all the best, Rebecca. Take care.